Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ASUS Zenfone 8. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. You need to click on Send on an Android and Receive on ASUS. Then tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only select this one photo, click Send and tap Got it. From here there are two ways to connect your devices. You can either input this password over here and tap Receive, or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here on ASUS, then choose only this time or while using the app and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. But if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into, for example, File Manager, choose in my case Images, and click on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!